Hello friends, welcome back. So in this project, we are going to create a moving box. So as you can see, there are four buttons: up, left, down, and right. So if I press on this right button, so the box is moving on the right side. And if I press the down button, so the box is moving on the down side. If I press the left button, so the box is moving to the left side. And if I click on up, so the box is moving to upside. Okay. And even we can use the arrow keys to move the box. So if I press the right key on the keyboard, so it is working fine. And if I press the down key, so the box is moving to the downward side. And if I press the left key, it is moving to the left hand side. And if I press the up key, so it is moving at the upside. Okay. So in this project, we are going to use state, use ref, and even we are going to add some event listeners. Okay. So let's create this project from the next video. So I'll see you in the next video.